to the aerial show. We're gonna go ahead and prepare the breakfast, and I was gonna show you before I will get ready, and see you in a little bit. To me, it is very, very important for us to keep our energy all day long, and I want to make sure that before I go out or do some activities, I have enough food. And I love making bacon and pancake and eggs in the morning, and yeah, that's basically it for my food. So while the food is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, clean my face. And it's time for me to rescue the bacon out from the oven. I'm gonna be making some eggs, and look at the bacon, is so good. So I need to get that energy going. So yeah. I'm done with my makeup. Let's have some food, beautiful people. Look at that. I think this is enough to last my energy for all day long. And it's time to brush my teeth and get ready, and yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a ponytail right now because I'm gonna be under the sun all day long. We are here. Right there, getting something. They actually have a lot of souvenirs, and it's a little expensive, so I didn't buy anything. What is this?
You go inside, it's a flight simulator like you're in the cockpit. And it gives you the whole turning and everything. Take off.
No, hon, I'm not gonna do it because I have a nervous disorder.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it because I'll end up in Kaiser.
And we are on our way to check the airplanes. Yeah, yeah. Nice.
That looks pretty cool, huh?
Oh, this one is super cool. Well, I've never seen like this before.
Covered here.
It's so nice
Landing
to see people
taxi
out
right
here
by.
enjoying all
So you gotta
types
look
of
at it before it goes back into the
Oh wow!
Cameras, you got radar. Sorry.
No, you're good. So we are getting inside. It's cooler here, huh?
Oh yeah.
So get your cameras ready. If you
What is
haven't
this kind of
captured them yet,
aircraft?
A C5 transport.
C5 transfer.
You can put tanks, buses, armored vehicles.
Really?
Sit down.
Oh my God! I only saw this in the movie, but now I'm here.
See these holes in the ground? And then the soldiers are going to sit here and lock in, and they're going to fly, you know, halfway around the world. Tom Cruise cuts that thing out and flies out the back. It's a
Nice.
C5, and he goes, shoot.
Who's Tom Cruise? You? I don't
Yeah,
think so.
I am Tom Cruise's older grandfather, next door neighbor's cousin.
And we
Shoot stuff
are,
right out the back.
and we're getting out. This is where they normally fly.
They jump off from here, that's right. They come down this ramp and jump right off.
Well, you can jump too. Jump, please don't jump. Rose is here. You guys, what a very beautiful experience right now. I'm so amazed that I get to experience this once in a lifetime, right?
That's right. I mean,
Yeah.
the United States Air Force lets you in on their airplanes.
I know, thanks to them. This is one of the biggest aircraft, right, honey?
Yes.
Oh my God, dude, this engine is bigger than our bedroom. Oh my God, this is so good. So we're gonna fall in line and going inside. I'm sure it's kind of worth the wait.
I'll show you.
We are now getting in. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I hope there's a low air.
Hello.
Excuse me, guys.
It's okay.
Yeah, babe.
Nice.
This is it.
giving me a vertigo now.
Yeah, I
We're getting down. I'm a little hungry, hon. Can we grab some food? So I'm giving like a little pause, why not? Before grabbing some foods. Oh my god, you guys, this next aircraft, this is the one that Tom Cruise uses, I think Top Gun or Mission Impossible, I don't know, but this is the one. Oh my god, look at that. It's so nice. It's beautiful. So we're riding a trolley, beautiful people. Felt so good.
Way better.
I'm so excited for the show and I can't wait to see it. And I'm so happy as well that I'm able to see a lot of beautiful faces, smiling faces around. And it's showtime. And I'm so happy and I'm very grateful that I was able to experience this once in my lifetime. I'm so overwhelmed because I only saw this type of show in the movies and now I'm here. So I'm so happy and grateful. Like, look at this part, you guys. Wow. One thing that I would always do is that I always make sure that I enjoy every moment, because moment like this, you really not want to take it for granted.
America.
Thank you, America. It was such a great time spending time with you. Yes.
We're setting off car alarms left and right, baby.
Did you have a good time?
Great fun.
Look, he's trying to recruit someone if they had a good time. Ooh, well, that's near. Well, you guys, it was such a great time. Don't forget to
Can you hear all the car
love
alarms?
each other. Anyway, that's for today, and I'll see you guys for the next adventure. So yeah, we're having a great time. What can you say about the show?
It was just so freaking awesome. It was
Okay.
loud, it was fun. And it was-
If you are given a
Thank you.
chance to do it again, you want to do it again?
Oh yeah. Whew. And the Thunderbirds killed it.
Well, that's the most important thing.
Did
You
you
enjoy it.
like the Thunderbirds, honey?
Yes, I like all.
At the end? They're still.
So we just got home from the aircraft show and it was so much fun. I've seen a lot of people, happy faces, and also, you know, enjoying the moment while watching the aircraft show. Anyway, now taking off my makeup and a little tired, but it's worth it because we had so much fun. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to spread love and kindness.